Hello and welcome to an unboxing video of the brand new Zenfone 6. Of course, I meant Zenfone 9. I pre-ordered this on the 1st of August and it has finally arrived on the 16th of September 2022. So as you can see, it's still got the cellophane on. I'm going to tear that off and let us begin. Okay, now I don't know whether I'm going to be disappointed. I have a feeling I will be, in the fact that this probably doesn't come with a UK charger. That's what I'm really hoping for, but I think I know how this is going to turn out. So let's have a look at what's inside. The tension is unbearable. Okay, it's quite bearable. There's the phone itself. Okay, in here we have our little pin there to undo the tray. We have a plastic case here. There we go. That's it's got a kind of a glittery effect on it. Don't know if you can really see that. There you go, a bit better there. There we go. Nice glittery effect there. That's the plastic case that you get in the box, but I have to tell you that separately they included this, which is a really nice carbon fiber hard case. But in any case, so to speak, I will be using the gel case that I brought separately. So I don't know, there's something about hard cases that I don't really trust the phone not to just fall out of if I ever drop it. I'll be using my gel case. Here we have the instructions. Yes, we all know what that's about, but what I really want to see is this phone. This is the first time I've seen it myself, so there we go. There's the Zenfone 9. Now, disclosure alert, I actually bought the Zenfone 8, and in my opinion, just in case you think I'm a big ASUS fanboy, the Zenfone 8 was a disaster. It had charging issues, it had a RAM dump issue. Also, the only way that you can charge a Zenfone 8, not the flip, the standard version I'm talking about, was with the ASUS charger. That shouldn't happen because with my Zenfone 7 I can charge that with any charger. So you shouldn't only have to use the ASUS charger to charge your ASUS phone. But anyway, I believe also that ASUS learn from their mistakes. So I don't believe that lightning strikes twice with ASUS. Oh my god, that's looking nice already. Alright, so there's the back with its two massive lenses. I don't know quite why the housing is that big. It claims to have some kind of gimbal hybrid, whatever that means. Why they couldn't just have a gimbal when they're that big, I don't know, but that's apparently what that means. And there's the front. Not that exciting. So let's see what else is in the box. Oh my god, my dream has come true. ASUS have given me a UK charger. That makes me incredibly happy. I can't even put this into words right now. Let me take this off. An official ASUS charger. I don't know if this is the hypercharger. I'll find it out. I'll know because it has two Thunderbolts, I think, on the phone when it's charging. Look at that. I have to show it in all its glory because this is making me really happy. This is a big surprise for me. I honestly thought that they would just put their 2-pin charger in the box and a lame, horrible, ugly adapter. But no, ASUS have finally come through again and given us a UK charger. How cool is that? – So thank you, ASUS, for that. Okay, what else? Hard charging wire, of course. I will be using that shortly. But there we go. That is actually all that was in the box. Nice and compact, and that's just made me really happy now, discovering that. As for the phone itself, I'm powering it on to see how much juice they've left. Now, this phone has 256 gigabytes internal memory. Unfortunately, the big error, the big error in my opinion ASUS have made is not including an SD card slot, because I know there's people out there that say, oh, you can just do everything in the cloud now. No, you can't, especially when it comes to saving videos and photos, and I'm going to be using this to make my videos from now on. So those weigh in at several gigabytes sometimes. So to suggest that, oh, you can just do it all in the cloud now is ridiculous. So I'll see how long I go with this. 53% is what it's got on the charge. If you can see that there. That's not too bad to be able to set it up. The phone itself to hold, that's a really interesting back actually. It's apparently plastic, which I'm very happy about, because if anyone could tell me just what the point is in having a really delicate reverse of the phone that's going to be at risk of scratching and cracking and all that kind of stuff, when you can just have a sensible plastic rear to the phone. What is the point? You tell me. But this is the 16 gigabyte RAM model as well, so it should be zipping along. 4,300 milliamps, which is not as great as the 5,000 that I have in the phone that I'm filming with, my Zenfone 7 Pro. And that, I'm really going to see how much difference that makes day to day. I will definitely give my honest opinion about that. The nearest competition for me that this phone has is the Sony Xperia 4, Xperia Mark IV 5, I think it's called. It's basically a similar size phone to this, because I absolutely love, and I'm not exaggerating, how small this is. And I'll be able to go back to one-handed typing, something I've wanted to do for a very long time. Let's clear that back there. Because the phone's getting bigger and bigger. There's one slight problem with that. My hands are not getting any bigger with the phones. So, again, if you could tell me the point of making phones bigger and bigger all the time, I'd love to know. There isn't one. Spoiler alert. But that's it. I'm going to set this phone up, and I will be back at some point, maybe a month or so, to give you my honest opinion of how it goes. Oh, the extras, in case you're wondering, it has a headphone jack there, and charging port is there. There's no wireless charging. Oh no! How am I going to survive without wireless charging? I'll tell you how. Extremely easily, because I have never once in owning any of the phones in my whole life ever wished that they were wireless charging. So to me it's a gimmick, and it's too slow, and for me it's pointless. So there we have it. My Zenfone 9 has finally arrived. I'm extremely happy. I am extra happy. I've got a UK plug, and I hope you have enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching if you stay to the end, and I will see you next time.